Have you ever thought about increasing the productivity of writing your code? The brief web searching will probably make you think you should learn blind typing, training every day for half an hour, and after a few hard months of practice, you'll get it. But the truth is that coding is not only about typing. More often we work with the existing code and need to modify and refactor it. This means more code movement than typing new characters. In a few minutes you will find a way to increase your code editing performance tenfold. Can't believe it? Just check it out. One of the most important things we need to catch is moving the cursor through the code. Moving the cursor to the end or the beginning of the current line is the simplest trick. Once you get used to it, the next step could be slicing between individual words, lexemes, or language constructs. Adding another control key will help you select, copy, and delete them without using a mouse or trackpad. Another common case is renaming variables or methods throughout the file. The multi-cursor is present in many code editors and can help you here. The first thing you need to do is select the repeated words. Once you've done that, you can type whatever you want in one go. At first glance this may seem unusual and inconvenient. Just take your time to get used to these features, and after a while you will see that your brain starts using them automatically without distracting you from the code itself. So let's move on to see what else our code editor can provide us with. Refactoring an existing code is one of the most common things we have to do. Sometimes it means moving some particular lines of code from one method to another. Or, it could be moving the whole method of block of code to a different position. Or, changing an indent. As you can see, any of these operations can be done without bothering your trackpad. Another way to get rid of the trackpad is to make it a habit to select parameters by the keyboard. For example, you can select one parameter, and change it to something else. Besides, you can find it useful to select all parameters of the method. Or simply select an entire method or class with one click, cut it out, and move to another file. Moving forward, another trick lies in the way of adding a new line. Commonly we use the mouse to place the cursor at the end of an existing line, press enter and start typing. Considering how often we use this operation, saving just milliseconds will ultimately give us significant performance improvement. All you need is to put the cursor in any position of the line and press a single shortcut. Another use case appears when you type the method with parameters in brackets and need to go to the next line. Just press the hotkey, without having to move the cursor to the end. After making it a habit, such micro-optimization will surprise you with a significant performance improvement. Just give it a try. Let's now see how to comment code by one click. Combined with previous hotkeys, it can be even faster. You can delegate to your code editor even more and allow it to wrap some code into brackets by one click. Working with large applications forces you to navigate through many files effectively. There are various ways to do this, so just be patient to find the one that works best for you. And the last thing we'll cover in this video is switching between code tabs. Having these hotkeys in your arsenal gives much faster way to navigate between all active files that you're currently working on. For sure, this is not a comprehensive guide, and different code editors have different hotkeys. But almost all of them have similar functionality. Just keep in mind your code editor can help and support you more. The practice of using these keys will give as many benefits as blind typing. Just make it a habit to learn and practice a new one-key combination per 1 or 2 weeks during your working activity, and after a few months you'll find yourself much more productive and happier, as from now you will concentrate more on the code itself rather than constant and irritating switching between your monitor, keyboard and mouse. That's all for today. Good luck, and see you soon.